Alright, last video here. We'll do a couple of these on this slide. Actually, we'll just do maybe one. We'll pick a real hard one. 33 is a really tough one. Negative square root of 54 minus 2 square root of 20 plus 3 square root of 45. All the square roots appear to be different. However, we have to break them down and simplify them. Okay? And then they may become like terms. So 54 is 9 times 6. Square root of 9 times square root of 6 is going to be 3 root 6. But we have this minus sign in front. Don't forget that minus sign in front, okay? So it's negative 3 root 6. We'll switch the color for 20. 20 is 4 times 5, which is square root of 4 times square root of 5. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 5. But we have this minus 2 in front. So we have minus 2 times 2, which is minus 4 square root of 5. Alright? So we have minus 3 root 6, and then minus 4 root 5. And then finally we'll do this last one here. 45 is 9 times 5. Square root of 9 times square root of 5 is going to be 3 root 5. But we have this plus 3. So the 3 on the outside of the radical gets multiplied by the 3 that we got when we simplified the 9. So that becomes plus 9 root 5. So now we're at our last step right here. We could combine any like terms that we see. And I see negative 4 root 5 and plus 9 root 5 are like terms. So when you add them together, you get plus 5 root 5. And then the minus 3 root 6 is also there in our answer. All right. That's how you do all these. Forget about these challenge ones. You don't have to worry about them. And then finally, the last page. These problems, starting at number 8, these are called rationalizing problems, and you'll see a couple of these on your quiz. Very simple. You're not allowed to have a radical in the denominator, so to get rid of it, you multiply by whatever's down there, the radical itself, over the same thing. The reason why we do that is because in the bottom you get root 7 times root 7, which is root 49, which that will always simplify because it'll always become a perfect square. So square root of 49 is just the number 7. So it basically eliminates the radical when you do that. So we get 14 root 7 over 7. And then the final step is you could just simplify the 14 over the 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2 over 1. So you get 2 root 7 over 1. But you don't have to write the 1. That's it. We'll try one more. Let's do this last one down here. 33 over root 11. Root 11 over root 11, you get 33 root 11 over root 11 times root 11 is root 121, which is just the number 11. That's it. Basically, in the bottom, the radicals will cancel each other out, and you'll just be left with whatever number that is. So we get 33 root 11 over 11, and then finally we could simplify this. 33 divided by 11 is 3 over 1. So it's 3 root 11 over 1, which is really just 3 root 11. All right, that's it for your quiz review. The answers are all at the bottom here. I suggest you try more on your own.